Parrot OS.
The ghost system.
We boot up Parrot system light, flying through packets in the deep of night. Hacking clean, never out of breath, with privacy strong like digital stealth. Get no footprints, we leave no mess. Encrypt our tracks, no need to guess. City tools on deck, this OS blessed. We hack and learn, the NepHack test. Yo, Parrot OS from the Italian scene. Debian roots, but it's light and mean. Make desktop fast and slick. CTF's labs boot up quick. Brain-stalled tools we take in flight. Hydra brute force through the night. SQL map when the queries fail. Burp intercepted in that data trail. Air crack thing for that Wi-Fi score. Recon and let's explore more. John the Ripper, passwords fried. Guides a reverse secret slide.
Got 3 editions, pick your fate. Security for the ones who penetrate. Home if you're Devin or just chill. Still got Anonsurf if you need that skill. Architect mode, custom vibes. Build it your way, define your tribe. And when it's time to cloak your net, Parrot's got tools you won't forget. Anonsurf hides your traffic trail. Tor preloaded, private mail. A Parrot sandbox locking tight. Even the scripts get scared at night.
We book up Parrot, light and fast. Trackers blocked, we never get past. Beds head devs, hackers, the system flex. NepHack fam, we rep what's next. From VMs to real-time tests. OSINT tools, we know the rest. Low on RAM, high on finesse. Parrot that bird, forget the rest.
People asking Cali or Parrot, bro. Depends on the op and how deep you go. Cali loud with the red team rage. Parrot quiet, ghost in the stage. Cali's bulk got the fame and packs, but Parrot's sleek with the stealth attacks. Wanna learn and lurk, Parrot's king. A VPN ghost with a Tor ring bling.
Students grinding, this the key. You don't need power to run Parrot free. Little old laptop, still takes flight. Live boot USB, done right. Forensics devs and cyber nerds. Privacy first with minimal words. Raspberry Pi or in the cloud. Parrot OS making hackers proud.
Download it clean from the Parrot site. Etch your Rufus, flash it right. Boot from USB, check the feel. Live test mode or go full steal. Dual boot it? Yeah, if you dare. But solo Parrot? Nothing compare. Come Parrot wings, we glide in stealth. Hacking smart, protecting wealth. From code to crack, we pass each test. NepHack squad, we rep the best. Keep security strong, identity gone. This ain't just Linux, it's hacker dawn. Learn, apply, evolve, progress. Boot Parrot OS and hack with finesse.